The first step is to go to Cubase Preferences. Under Editing, click on Tool Modifiers, then click on the Select tool. This is where you're going to set your modifier keys for slip and split edit event actions. Click on Slip Event, press and hold the keys you would like to use, which should pop up in this box, and click Assign. Do the same thing for split. A couple of things you should consider when picking what keys you would like to use. Make sure they're not already being used for something else within the DAW. Also consider the fact that you're going to be using this quite a bit, so you'll want to pick keys that are going to be comfortable to use over and over again. If you're on a Mac, I recommend using Command and Option for slip and Option for split. Once you have your keys selected, click on Apply and then OK. Now when you are using the Object Selection tool, when you hold on Option, you'll get the Split tool, and when you hold on Option Command, you'll get the Slip tool. The next step is to go to Project, Auto Fade Settings. In here you want to make sure these three boxes are checked, set the length for 5 milliseconds, click on As Default, and then click OK. This sets it so that Cubase automatically puts a crossfade every time you split an event. Now that you've done that, you're ready to prepare your audio for editing. Select the event or events that you are trying to edit. Use your Option tool and left-click on the event where you want to split it. Sometimes in Cubase, it will not allow you to move audio to the left within an event. If this happens, simply drag the event over about half a measure, and then use your Slip tool to left-click on the event, and then while holding left-click, drag it to the right to slip the audio back to its original location. This effectively buffers the event, allowing you to move the audio to the left or the right however much you may need while editing. Once you do that, you are ready to start editing the rest of the track. While holding your split key, left-click on the events where you would like to make an edit. Then hold down your slip keys, left-click and drag left or right wherever you need the audio to be, however close you'd like it to be to the grid. Once you have completed the entire track, highlight all of the events that you have made an edit on. Then right-click, go to Audio, Bounce Selection. This will come up with a window asking if you want to replace events. Click on Replace. This will consolidate all of the events into one single event for each track.